I truly believe that the earth is flat. I believe that high velocity energy, such as magnetic flux, such as creating a toroidal omnisphere, therefore creating such a high powered energy parallel with electrical energy, therefore creates a flat plateau plane, which therefore we call Earth. And God created this also with a high frequency, which vibrates at such a magnitude that therefore creating us, humans. And that's how, and God created us, our image, through his vision. I don't know how he did it, drawing, through thought. However he did it, he created each and every one of us. And the sooner people realize that, the quicker we will manifest into a much more prosperous environment, a you know, a much better experience through our human existence. The reality will be therefore much brighter. And we are all hardwired to God, therefore seeing the same colors. And if you're colorblind, I don't believe you're connected to the source. There's something distorted, maybe in your past life,